Good morning. We will continue to talk about the communication problem, but now from the point of view of the technology consultant. Let's imagine this situation. You are a salesperson of LED technology science. You are walking down the street and you see a neon sign with several letters, the burnout. So you see that there is a good business opportunity for you. You go to the inside of the store and you look for the business owner and you approach to the business owner and you start speaking about your technology. You explain all your product, you explain your technology, the options, the prices, the advantages, etc. While you are explaining that, you perceive that the business owner is uncomfortable, is like anxious. Maybe he's busy, he's doing something else, he's taking care of their own customers. In his mind, maybe he's remembering previous bad experiences with another suppliers. He's thinking that the lack of knowledge he has about the technology you are talking about, he doesn't want to say anything that commit him or her to make a payment. Maybe he thinks that you are just another oil snail salesperson. Uh, Maybe he is thinking about how much time he need to invest learning about this technology and how difficult will be to implement it. So it's very busy about this inside thinking, and at the end the answer is thank you for your time. That happens. After that, it's very common that the salespersons make several questions like, what did I do wrong? Did I say something inconvenient? Was in the wrong timing? I need to rethink my sales approach speech. This is something that has always been difficult for the salesperson. The project I am presenting for my thesis, for my doctoral research investigation, is about exactly this situation. It's about the relationship between the business owner, the entrepreneur, the micro entrepreneur personality, and the best way of approach to him or her to offer the help of or a solution. That's the main, that's the core of my investigation. You are offering a product, but we will speak not about the product itself. We will talk about how do we present the help to the business owner. The first step for this investigation is to use a tool that already exists. This tool already exists and is wide use in all the world, and is the Meyer-Briggs typing indicator. This tool is very useful because it's well known, is spread all over the world, is translated to several languages, is available online, and many times is available for free. So we can use it very easily and everybody can use it. That's the idea, that anybody can use it. It's not restricted for just a small group, but available for everybody. The MBTI is an easy way to know the personality of a person, in this case the entrepreneur, the business owner, and we will try to modulate our approach to the business owner on base on that personality. The different approaches I am proposing are categorized on the different level of involvement, the different level of intrusiveness of the proposal. The less intrusiveness, the simple one, is to offer a brochure. to offer something in writing, maybe a brochure, physical brochure, or a pamphlet, or a manual, but could be digital, sending in PDF format by email, maybe, or by some other text message, WhatsApp, anything. It's the less intrusive. You send it, and the other person read it. The second level is maybe an audio or video instruction manual. Could be a presentation of the product, could be an instruction of how to install it or how to use it. It's a little bit more intrusive, but even is in the first level, because you can hear or you can see that video in your own home privately, and you can go back and forward to check doubts you have, but it's very private, so it's not intrusive. The next level is to do an online or face-to-face training courses. The next one is to do an inside the on-site demonstration of the product. You will be present in the side of the customer to do the presentation of the product. The next one is to participate as one of the employees of the company. You integrate with the team. You are one more of the elements of the team, and you help to create the solution. The next one is to be the leader of the same group. Instead of being just one of the elements of the group, you are the leader of the team. It's more involved, it's more intrusive. And the next one is to do an outsourcing solution. You offer the outsourcing solution of the same problem. And the most intrusive one is the turnkey solution, the key on hand solution of the problem. You take control absolutely of everything, you solve it, and when it's completely working and implemented, you give the key to the owner and you can start. That's the most intrusive one. So these different levels depends which the better one depends on the personality of the business owner. So for example, if the micro entrepreneur is an executive personality like ESTJ, that kind of person would prefer a brochure, maybe email. You send it by email, a brochure or an instructive manual, a video and audio, and that person in the privacy of his home, check it, read it, analyze it, take notes, enhance the text, and make comparison with other products, make an analysis, and make a decision about the product. This is because this kind of person are very analytical and they prefer to do that by themselves. On the other hand, if you send that email with a brochure to a person with a personality type ENFP, it's highly probable that that person will not read it, just do nothing. They will not even open it because they are not interested in that way of communication, in that way of knowledge. They prefer the person-to-person contact. They are much more into the personal communication. So this person will prefer a more intrusive approach. They will prefer to be, for example, the first time you present the products by yourself, you go to their site, to their offices, to their store, and you present the product and you do all the technology movements of the technology. And in a second chance, maybe they will be a little bit more involved and they will make questions more close. The third time, maybe that person, the business owner, will start using the technology and you will be there helping with any question they have. And the fourth attempt, they will do all the technology technology. They will use the product, and you will be just observing. And maybe in the next opportunity, they will do it everything by themselves, and you will not even be in the room. Maybe they will just request you to be available on the phone or on a video conference or on an audio conference in order to ask questions, but they are doing everything by themselves, and you are only a remote consultant. That's more likely to be the evolution of an ENFP personality. These differences are exactly what I am trying to confirm with my doctoral field research. This is exactly the idea that there is a relationship or a possible relationship between the best way of approaching to a business owner depending on their personality. That's the idea of my doctoral research. I hope this will help you, and we will be ready to do more videos. Thanks so much.